Solve this expression which is 12 minus 6 divided by 3 bracket 1 plus 1. So here 12 minus 6 which is 6 divided by 3 times 1 plus 1 which is 2. So here comes 3 2s are 6. So 2 times 2 which is 4. But this is the wrong value for this expression. So here we solve this expression by using PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. In this you have to remember as this multiplication division both have equal priorities, therefore we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So here first we'll solve this parenthesis part, means bracket part. So write down the expression which is 12 minus 6 divided by 3 times 1 plus 1. So solve this 12 minus 6 divided by 3 times 2. Then next here division and multiplication both have equal priority, therefore we go from left to right. First we'll solve this part. So here comes 12 minus 3 2s are 6. So 2 times 2. Then 12 minus 2 into 2 which is 4. 12 minus 4 which is 8. So 8 is the correct value for this expression.